All right, welcome back to number two interrogatives. Here we're going to focus on the hey interrogative. This is the hey that's attached to any word. It could be a preposition, it could be an adverb, it could be a pronoun, or it could be a verb by which it can be attached to. So how does the hey function? Well, unlike other words like we used already in the first section video where we talked about the different interrogatives you can ask. Well, obviously you're going to say this kind of limits me because how do I ask questions like do you have, or is it from, or will you go? How do I ask those kind of questions? This is where we're going to use the hey article to actually give you that ability to make those kind of questions. So the hey article, when you're taking it, not the hey article, but the hey interrogative, when you take this hey interrogative and you attach it, for example, to the preposition mean. Mean means from. When I say hamin, now I'm asking a question. Is it from? Hamin. Just like the adverb here, we have yesh. Yesh means there is an existence. Don't say you have, okay? Don't think of the word have. Yesh is there in existence. Where ein means there is not in existence. So if I'm saying hayesh lacha kesef, I'm saying do you have money? Is there in existence money that belongs to you, that you have in your possession? Or if I add it to the ein, now I'm negating the sentence here. Ha'ein lacha kesef, you don't have money. You know, I got confused one time when I first was learning yesh and ein. I used to think the word yesh meant to have, and I thought that when ein, it meant to, like, there isn't, okay? And this is kind of confusing for people at times when they're learning, but I want to make it very clear, okay? Yesh means there is an existence, and that's why we get the concept of do you have, where ein means there is not an existence. So that's why we say hayesh lacha, do you have kesef money? Where ha'ein lacha, do you not have kesef money? So don't get confused. You wouldn't say yesh and then ein in the same sentence because they're not the same. One is there is, and one is there isn't. Okay? Now we got pronouns. For example, if I put ha'ani, I'm asking a question. Am I? Ha'ani. Am I? Ha'ata. Are you? Ha'ata. Are you? Ha'hem. Are they? Ha'hem. Are they? Now we're going to go to verbs. We're going to use this only in future and only in the past tense. This will never be used with the present tense, and I'll tell you why. First off, if you're going to say something in the present tense, you're going to have to attach it to the pronoun. Because the verb in the future and the past both have the pronoun attached, you're going to have to remember that the question, if you ask it in the present tense, it goes onto the pronoun that's connected to the verb. So the subject of the verb is what's going to have the hey interrogative attached to it. So that's why I said that statement here. So in the future tense, if I said hatelech, will you go? I'm asking a question. Hatelech, will you go? Where if I want to say something in the past tense, such as ha'amarti. Did I say? Ha'amarti. Did I say? Alright? So you're going to have to think about ha. Ha, the hey interrogative, acts like the does, acts like the will, acts like the is in English. These are all the words that we use to stipulate question. And so these kind of questions are all going to be used with the hey interrogative. Where if you have other questions like when and what time, that's what the other video is that we focused on with the hey interrogative and utilizing it in the proper way so that you ask those kind of questions using those words. We ask these kind of questions using this hey interrogative, which is placed in front of our words. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you around as you enjoy more of learning Biblical Hebrew right here on Yad Ramah.